Recording. Okay, guys. So when I first saw the design of the Tecno Pop 7, I was like, wow, such an impressive design. And with my few experience with this smartphone, I can add good display, good speakers, good battery life. But the big question is, why this big camera house? So I think I get the point. They wanted a more elegant and classic design that will look very attractive and at the same time wouldn't resemble either the Camon 19 or the Spark 10 Pro. But I'm not really a fan of this massive camera house symbol. I think it's this big because they added the fingerprint to it. The back of the phone, you have this elegant design that looks like a puzzle, and I really like it. It's plastic though, and you can hear the sound from here. It's really amazing, and the camera part is glossy. It's plastic too, but it's shiny plastic, and it's really glossy. You will need to take a case if you want to keep this. If not, you have to be wiping it every time, and I don't think you want to do such. At the front of the phone, you have this huge 6.5-inch screen, and at the top you have your hole punch cutters for the selfie cameras. At the bottom side of the phone is where you get your mono speaker grill, your micro USB ports, a microphone, and a 3.5 audio jack. At the right side of the phone, you have your volume rocker buttons and your power button. Nothing too special right here. At the left, you have a SIM tray, which houses two nano SIMs and an extra SD card slot. And at the top, there's nothing there. The fact that the headphone jack is still available on this smartphone means that there is a earpiece that comes in the box of this device. So if you want to see all the box components, I'll have the link of the ASMR in the description down below. So after watching this video, you can go check that one out to see all the accessories that comes in the box of this device. The fingerprint sensor on this smartphone is not that fast. It's slow to me, and it does not even have any animation when it comes on. But so far as you can read your fingerprint and so far as the fingerprint option is still there, it's still something that is needed. Also, the face unlock feature here has the same unlock speed, or I think is a bit faster than the fingerprint sensor. But to me, the both of them are slow. But so far as you have the option here, it's still a security option which you can always use at any time. The display of this phone is pretty impressive. When I watch YouTube videos, I really love the colors coming out from this smartphone. It's nothing too special, it's an IPS LCD display, but I love how sharp colors appeared, and I love the saturation. Everything just looked natural to me. When I watch videos on this phone, the colors coming out were really impressive. I was like, wow, for this price point, damn, this is interesting. This phone is not the phone that you intend for gaming, but for those who want to game on this smartphone and for those who want to know the chipset on this smartphone. To your greatest surprise, this phone does not come with a chipset. So this phone is not the phone that you get for gaming, but it can handle games that are not graphic intensive. I played Asphalt Nitro on this smartphone and gameplay ran very smooth, although you will definitely notice the phone heating up, and I think that you should expect because this phone does not come with anything that is to enhance the gaming experience of this smartphone. Scrolling generally is really smooth, and I don't think you have any issues with scrolling and using social media apps on this device. Although when you stay for a long time, the phone begins to get hot and definitely begins to lag. If you can see well, the phone is even hanging as I'm scrolling. But as I said before, this phone does not come with any chipset, just Android 12 Go edition, and you shouldn't expect high performance from this device. So if you're enjoying this video and if you've come this far in this video, I think a sub to the channel right now would make the channel pop 7 times. Pop 7. Now let's get to the main point of this video. this camera right here. So this device comes with an 8 megapixel main camera, a 0.03 depth camera, and at the front of the device you get a 5 megapixel selfie camera. This is not the device that you would get if you want to get those great and cool looking images, but photos that come out from this device I would say are pretty much impressive, although not that impressive, but for an 8 megapixel camera I would say it's impressive. I compared it to the Redmi A1 Plus, and in some areas it did better than the Redmi A1 Plus, and these both too have an 8 megapixel camera. I will leave the link of that video in the description down below. The photos captured from the 5 megapixel camera are decent. Although if you want to get cool looking photos both from the rear and the front facing camera, you have to be in a great source of light, or you have to go outdoors where the light is really shining, then you can be able to get cool looking photos from the cameras of this device. Portrait mode here is also on point, though there is no HDR, and when you turn on HDR it just tends to make the sky so blue, like badly blue, but it is what you should expect from this price point.
Okay guys, so here is the um, rear facing video from the 8 megapixel of the Tecno Pop 7. uh, as you can see, everywhere is dull. Today has been a rainy day, so how's the video quality and also how is the audio quality coming out from this smartphone? Also, how is it handling dynamic range? From the viewfinder here, it's not looking good at all, but let me know your thoughts concerning the video and the audio quality in the comment section down below. Okay, so this the video from the front facing camera, the 5 megapixel front facing camera. Yeah, so how's the video quality? And yeah, I'm currently shooting at 1080p right now, so how's the video quality, and also how is the microphone quality of this smartphone? Dynamic range, there's nothing there. Yeah, so how's the video quality of this camera? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below.
Now let's talk on battery life of this device. So this device comes with a 5000 milliamps per hour battery and a 10 watt fast charging brick in the box of this device. 5000 mAh on this device is not pretty impressive. It's very impressive. At first, when I saw the specs of this device, I was like, will this battery of this smartphone even last at all, since it does not even come with a chipset, a GPU, nothing at all to enhance the battery life. But after my experience with this device, I've noticed that battery life on this device is really great. This device battery even lasts more than my Camon 19's battery, and I must say battery life on this smartphone is really impressive. A full charge can get you up to 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. That's if you're not doing anything really heavy with this phone, although this phone can take really high multitasking. So this phone should be getting you around a full day of use with just a single charge. And charging this smartphone with the 10 watts fast charger included in the box takes about 2 hours 30 minutes to 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Yeah, that's not the fastest out there, but I think that's what you expect from a 10 watt fast charger. I didn't expect any fast charging on this smartphone because many phones at this price point don't even come with any fast charging capacity or any fast charging adapter in the box. So the 5000 mAh and the 10 watt fast charger that comes with this smartphone is really a deal breaker. So that is all from here, guys. If you have any questions on this device, or if there's anything I didn't touch in this review, you can leave your question in the comment section down below, and as always I'll be there to answer you guys. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, ensure to smash that like button, share and subscribe to this channel, and also ring that notification bell icon so you'll be first to know when other cool videos like this one drops next. I have a lot of videos which are going to be coming out and are really interesting, so subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss them. Peace. Signing out.